Hello, my name is Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to make your WordPress site have infinite scroll functionality. We'll cover 3 common use cases in this video. The first is infinite posts in a list, where users can scroll and scroll and scroll through a list of your blog posts. The second is a single post scrolling, where once readers get to the bottom of a post, it will load another post. And then the third is infinite scrolling for custom content, like job postings or real estate listings. Now, before you go adding infinite scrolling to your site just because it looks cool, and it does, there are possible downsides. It can mess with SEO, as Google has trouble crawling these sites sometimes, and it can also mess up your analytics for the same reasons. There are ways to mitigate it, but be aware. Okay, so our solution for the first 2 use cases, both post lists and single posts, is a plugin called Ajax Load More. Just install and activate the plugin, and then in the settings you can choose what type of page loading you want. Just scroll down and choose an option under Infinite Scroll, and follow their implementation guide, and you're set. Now, for single post loading, we also recommend Ajax Load More, but while the free version of their plugin works for the post list loading, you'll need their pro version or at least their single post template add-on for this. I'd recommend paying a little more for their pro version that gives you all the add-ons, as it also has a feature to help mitigate SEO issues that stem from using infinite loading on your site. Okay, now on to use case 3, custom content. The problem with custom content is it requires a custom solution. Normally anyway, but not anymore. With Formidable Forms, you can add infinite loading with a single choice from a dropdown. Now, we've already covered in multiple videos the power of Formidable Views, and more recently, our application builder. So for our example, I went into our application builder, chose the real estate template, added some entries, and accidentally made it look worse than it does in the template. But ignore my lack of style, and also ignore the duplicates. I didn't want to create a bunch of fake homes, so I just duplicated entries. The point is, this custom use case of real estate listings has multiple pages, but we want it to infinitely load. So what do we need to do? Let's go to the view for our real estate listings and check the advanced settings. Under Ajax pagination, choose Infinite Scroll with Ajax and hit Update. And you're done. If we reload our page with the listings, it now infinitely loads until it runs out of our homes to display. And that's how you add infinite scroll to your WordPress site. Subscribe for more WordPress and Formidable Forms tips, and I'll see you next time.